What's he doing? What's he doing, man? Where he's going? He's going to drop. What the fuck is this man doing?
Fuck it.
This man wants to lock a car and shit. Okay, we're traveling. Hey, I'm out here making a video. He thinks I'm taking a picture. What the fuck is this man doing? Where is he going? Where the fuck is he? He disappeared. He's a ninja. Oh shit, there he is. Wild Pokemon spotted, buddy. Stop sign out here. Where is he? He's gonna surprise me? Where the fuck?
We got it. Yeah.
These men are crazy.
You don't do shit then.
What are they gonna do?
No, bro, this guy's having the time of his life. I gotta say some fuck shit, yo.
Good job, just go stop him.
Should I just go up to him and be like, are you guys having a good time?
Yeah.
You gotta come with me, yeah.
Alright, go with him. Be like,
Just
run
game
past
with
this guy.
No, just run past.
No,
you should I go up to them, crash, and be like, I just farted? Do it! No, I can't. Hey, good job, come on! Why are you telling me to do it? Yo, you ruined his bit. Bro, I looked at her. I looked at the guy to say something right. The guy never said shit. I think I'm sorry. Yes. No, wait, is it actually possible to come up that?
Yes, there is.
He sat there and started doing some retarded shit. I think I'm sorry. He has problems.
Good job,
I picked him back up and I took him.
Yeah. It's too much risk.
Yo, let him go.
Yo, someone get a photo of me.
No. I got one.
Yo, no, actually, take it from down there.
I did.
Yo, proper one.
What do you mean proper?
Hold on. Squad photo.
I don't think this is a good idea.
Stop, come to.
What?
I got you.
Yo, it's my boost.
I got you. Who cares? I got you. Hold on. You gotta go. AJ, grab on this side so the joke doesn't fall.
I don't think this. I don't think this is a good idea, buddy.
Yo, Sal, come up here.
Don't listen to this guy named the Nose.
Yo, I still can't believe I ruined that couple's night, yo. I just went up to him like, that's some massive shit. And then they just lost it. Don't you know what it's time, yes? Artist comes up to you, he's like, I'm sorry, he has issues. And he just grabs it.
Yo, I'm sorry, he has problems.
Wait, what about this thing?
And the sun.
What did I say, buddy? You're gonna fall. What happened? You fell.
Did you record that?
No, I did not record that.
Fuck.
I'm recording on video.
I never.
So I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm not gonna try to get back up there yet. So
That was a bad. Broke the whole shit. How are you gonna get up?
Yeah, I told you, just get on, man. Video? He's like, no. Yo, I'm slipping.
Okay.
I'm off.
Interview. How do you feel?
Yo, get the photo back.
I ain't gonna lie to you. Oh, I fucked my leg up, yo. Oh, fuck my leg
Get
up.
this. Look at these. Check. You can barely see. I can barely see you guys.
Zoom in.
Fuck is never getting climbed again because of you. How do you feel?
Yo, I ain't gonna lie to you, man. I don't think a bunch of fucking broken logs were the best way to get up there. Yo, if you got that on video.
Yeah, we saved the kid, guys. How do you feel?
Fuck that kid, man. I got fucking injured, alright? Yo, he cut up his leg. Hop down. There you go.
Good joke, cut up his leg.
Honestly, man.
It's actually a sick video, bro.
I think that's karma.
That is for that shit over there.
You ruined.
No. Yeah, good. That's what you get for that.
Where are you going, you piece of shit? Stop running. I ain't trying to run. Why? Let's go. Somebody right there behind us. I saw somebody. They already caught you guys. They're trying to hide and seek or some shit even though they're running.
No, let's play ball. Let's play handball.
Tag, you're it. Tag, you're it.
What are we looking for here? Polish sport?
Tag, you're it.
Motherfucker.
Chill, what are you guys doing, buddy?
Arch.
Yo, if you fall down right now, that'd be legendary. He's gone.
Yo, run! Yo, do double. Yo.